Soda. A soda is a beverage that is made from a base of carbonated water, combined with a sweetener and some artificial and natural flavoring. Soda is the shortened term for soft drink, which is a term that meant non-alcoholic beverage and was used to contrast with the term hard drinks or alcoholic drinks. The creation of the soda was primarily inspired by the development of early fruit-flavored drinks that were popular in England during the 16th century. In 1767, Englishman Joseph Priestley discovered a method for infusing carbon dioxide to water, which resulted into carbonated water, the base ingredient of the sodas today. In the 1900s, the popularity of the soda soared, turning soda companies into worldwide multi-billion-dollar industries. In 2012, the combined net worth of the two biggest soda companies, Coca-Cola and Pepsi, was estimated to be about $100 billion. Here's a simple soda recipe you can try at home. You will need grated zest from 2 medium oranges, grated zest from 1 large lime, grated zest from 1 large lemon, 1/8 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 star anise pod crushed, 2 cups water, 2 teaspoons minced ginger, 1 teaspoon vanilla flavoring, 1/4 teaspoon citric acid, 2 cups sugar, a bottle of soda water. First, take a large pan and bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Then, add in the zests, cinnamon, nutmeg, star anise, ginger, vanilla, and citric acid. Reduce the heat, then simmer for 20 minutes. Next, take the sugar and place it in a bowl. Take your cola mixture and place it on a strainer. Drain the liquid and mix it in with the sugar. Use a spoon to squeeze out the extra juices from the boiled zest. Mix the solution thoroughly until the sugar is dissolved. Let the mixture cool, then chill in the fridge. To make cola soda, mix 1/4 cup of the cola syrup with 1 cup cold soda water. Fun fact: the famous Coca-Cola company not only produces Coke, but also a bevy of other soda brands. Internationally, the company owns at least 3,500 different soda brands.